How to fix speed issue with HMA. Android app. If you have speed issues when connected to VPN, please follow the steps below. It is important to remember that speed varies due to the distance between you, your ISP and the VPN server you are connected to. We strongly recommend that you try and connect to the closest desired country server to your real location. Important thing to mention is that virtual locations are also available. What it means is that you only need to connect to the corresponding VPN server. In HMA Pro VPN app, you can simply select the virtual location servers for the country you wish to connect to as shown below, tap on the server you wish to connect to. In this case we chose United Kingdom. Scroll down, you should see servers marked as virtual. Please see the image below, as HMA Pro VPN for Android uses only OpenVPN protocol. You may want to try and set up a manual VPN connection using L2TP or PPTP protocol. Detailed instructions on how to do this are found here. Android, General, Advanced Troubleshooting, later. Optional IPsec protocol. HMA Pro VPN team have also added one new protocol to their service, IPsec, which should increase connection speed. Therefore you can try and set it up by following steps provided in tutorial, how to connect using IPsec protocol, later.